Today we'll be making a boneless ribeye. First, you gotta season it with some salt. Don't do too much, because you have to season it on both sides. Okay, there you go. Rub it all down.
It's a nice looking steak.
Yep.
Wow.
Then you gotta season that with some little black pepper right here.
Okay. Just a touch, right? Not that much.
Yeah, not that much. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Then you gotta add it, put it on some heat, turn it on. And then you gotta add some olive oil.
Is it olive oil or you can use like other oil as well?
You could, but like I prefer olive.
Healthy option?
Yeah.
Okay.
Once you see there's bubbles inside, that's when you put the steak in. And then you lower the heat.
So to what, like around 350,
Yeah.
right?
Put it like
280.
around like middle heat, middle.
Middle?
Yeah. And let it sit there for about like 2.5 minutes. If you want the perfectly medium steak. Then you press it down a little bit to give it that nice crust. Guys, after like around 3 to 4 minutes, you flip it. You got that little crust.
Okay.
And then once you get that crust, you have to take a spoon and start giving it that little oil. Let that sit.
How many minutes?
Like around a little less, like 2, 3, you know.
Okay.
And once the steak is finally ready, you have to pick it up, put it on the cutting board right here, and let it sit for around 1 to 2 minutes.
That steak looks so good.
Yep. So now, let's see the results. We're hoping for a nice red interior.
Sheesh! It's on the rare side, but
That's good.
that's the way we like it.
Medium rare right there.
Yes, sir.
Now let's try it right here.
Have a taste.
Let's try the little one right here. Of course, you gotta add some onion on top right there. I missed it. Wow.
Yeah.
There you go.